From our vantage point in space, Earth shimmers, a blue marble against the black canvas of the cosmos. This delicate sphere, suspended in the vastness, is our only home, a fragile oasis in an otherwise inhospitable universe. The sight of Earth from space is a humbling reminder of our place in the cosmos, a tiny speck in an endless expanse. But this serene beauty belies a turbulent past and an uncertain future. The calm blue surface hides a history of violent upheavals and dramatic changes. From massive volcanic eruptions to the shifting of tectonic plates, Earth's past is anything but peaceful. Our planet, over billions of years, has undergone a dramatic transformation, a cosmic dance of creation and destruction that continues to this day. The continents drift, oceans form and disappear, and life evolves in response to these changes. This ongoing process shapes the world we live in, constantly remolding the landscape. Imagine a time before the continents, before the oceans, before even the air we breathe. The early Earth was a barren, desolate place, shrouded in a thick haze of gases. There were no signs of life, no blue skies, just a harsh and unforgiving environment. Our Earth in its infancy was a fiery ball of molten rock, constantly bombarded by asteroids and comets. These impacts brought both destruction and the building blocks of life, setting the stage for the planet's future development. This early Earth was a hostile and alien world, vastly different from the one we call home today. It was a place of extreme temperatures, violent storms, and a landscape that seemed more like a scene from a science fiction movie than the cradle of life. Yet from these harsh beginnings, our beautiful blue planet emerged, teeming with life and endless possibilities. Over millions of years, Earth cooled, its fiery surface solidifying into the first continents. Volcanoes erupted, spewing gases that formed our early atmosphere, still devoid of the oxygen we need to survive. As temperatures continued to drop, water vapor condensed, forming vast oceans that stretched across the globe. These early oceans were teeming with microscopic life forms, simple organisms that harnessed energy from the sun through photosynthesis. These early pioneers released oxygen as a byproduct, slowly changing the composition of the atmosphere and paving the way for more complex life to evolve. From these humble beginnings, life exploded onto the scene, diversifying into a dazzling array of forms. Dinosaurs, giants of their time, roamed the earth, their reign lasting millions of years. Vast forests covered the land, trapping carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen, further transforming the atmosphere into the one we breathe today. But Earth's history is also punctuated by periods of dramatic upheaval, mass extinction events that wiped out vast swaths of life. The dinosaurs, along with countless other species, met their end when a massive asteroid collided with Earth, triggering catastrophic climate change. Section 4. The future of our pale blue dot, a crossroads. Today our planet faces new challenges, many of our own making. We stand at a pivotal moment in history, where the decisions we make will echo through generations to come. Climate change, driven by human activities, is altering our atmosphere and warming our planet at an alarming rate. The relentless emission of greenhouse gases from industries, vehicles, and deforestation is pushing our environment to its limits. Over 70% of global greenhouse gas emissions come from just 100 companies. The ice caps are melting, sea levels are rising, and extreme weather events are becoming more frequent and intense. Hurricanes, wildfires, and floods are no longer rare occurrences but regular reminders of our planet's fragility. Since 1880, global sea levels have risen by about 9 inches. The future of our pale blue dot hangs in the balance. Endangered wildlife struggles to survive, barren landscapes expand, and coastal erosion threatens communities worldwide. Approximately 1 million species are at risk of extinction due to human activities. The choices we make today will determine the fate of our planet and all life that calls it home. Embracing renewable energy sources, sustainable farming practices, and reforestation projects can pave the way for a brighter future. Renewable energy could supply 80% of U.S. electricity by 2050. Will we heed the warnings and chart a more sustainable course, or will we continue down a path of destruction? The power to change lies in our hands, and the time to act is now. Our collective efforts can turn the tide and ensure a thriving planet for future generations. 97% of climate scientists agree that climate warming trends over the past century are extremely likely due to human activities. Section 5. Our cosmic responsibility. We are at a crossroads not just for our species but for all life on Earth. The decisions we make today will echo through the ages, affecting not only our immediate environment but also the very fabric of life that sustains us. Our actions have far-reaching consequences, and it is imperative that we recognize the gravity of our choices. We have a cosmic responsibility, not just to ourselves but to future generations, to safeguard our planet and ensure its continued habitability. This responsibility extends beyond mere conservation. It encompasses innovation, education, and a commitment to sustainable practices. By nurturing our planet, we nurture ourselves and the generations yet to come. Let us choose wisely, act decisively, and work together to create a future where humanity and nature thrive in harmony. This means embracing renewable energy, reducing waste, and fostering a culture of respect for all living beings. Our collective efforts can lead to a world where the air is clean, the water is pure, and the land is fertile. Let us remember that we are all interconnected, part of a delicate web of life that depends on a healthy planet. Every action we take, no matter how small, has a ripple effect on the entire ecosystem. By protecting our environment, we protect the intricate balance that allows life to flourish. The future of Earth is in our hands. It is up to us to decide what kind of legacy we want to leave behind. Will we be remembered as the generation that saved our planet, or the one that let it slip away? The choice is ours, and the time to act is now. Let us choose to be good stewards of our pale blue dot. By working together, we can ensure that our planet remains a vibrant, thriving home for all its inhabitants. Our cosmic responsibility is not a burden, but a privilege, and it is one that we must embrace with open hearts and minds.